Ginger and peppermint tea health benefits. Have you ever heard about ginger and peppermint tea? Ginger and peppermint are two herbs that have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. They're known for their digestive, anti-inflammatory, and soothing properties. And recently, there's been a lot of buzz around their potential health benefits. But what are the real benefits of drinking ginger and peppermint tea? And how do you make it at home? In this video, I'm going to answer all of your questions and more. I'll walk you through the 10 amazing health benefits of ginger and peppermint tea, and I'll also tell you a simple way to prepare it, so you can decide for yourself if it's worth adding to your daily routine. Before we get into the benefits, let's take a quick look at what ginger and peppermint actually are. Ginger is a flowering plant whose root or rhizome is native to Southeast Asia, prized for its warm, spicy aroma. Peppermint, on the other hand, is a hybrid herb formed from a cross between watermint and spearmint, known for its cool, refreshing taste. Together, these two have been staples in kitchens and home remedies for generations. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your health, you'll definitely want to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips and tricks. Now, let's jump right into our top 10 health benefits of ginger and peppermint tea. Benefit number 1. Supports healthy digestion. Ginger and peppermint have long been used together as natural remedies for digestive discomfort and bloating. When combined in a warm cup of tea, these two herbs work to soothe an upset stomach. Ginger helps speed up stomach emptying, while peppermint relaxes the muscles lining the digestive tract. Ginger also contains natural antioxidants that may provide extra support for long-term digestive and gut health. With regular, moderate use, this comforting tea blend may gently support healthy digestion for the long run. Benefit number 2. Eases nausea and stomach discomfort. Ginger tea has traditionally been recommended for easing nausea, especially during travel or morning sickness episodes. Peppermint also adds a cooling sensation that can further calm the stomach and reduce feelings of queasiness. Together, these two herbs may help relax the tense digestive muscles and ease stomach tension. Peppermint also provides small amounts of natural menthol, which is often linked to mild digestive comfort. Used consistently in moderation, this simple herbal tea may help support a calmer, more settled stomach overall. Benefit number 3. May help reduce inflammation. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols, which have been studied for their anti-inflammatory properties in food. These compounds may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is often linked to several chronic conditions. Peppermint may also complement this effect by soothing muscles and easing tension throughout the body. Ginger also contains vitamin C and magnesium, both small nutrients that support general immune system function. Over time, regular use of this anti-inflammatory support may contribute to better joint comfort and long-term wellness. Benefit number 4. Supports respiratory comfort. Peppermint has long been valued in traditional medicine for its refreshing, decongestant, and calming aromatic properties. The menthol in peppermint may help open airways and ease mild congestion during colds or seasonal allergies. Ginger also adds a warming effect that may support circulation and help clear the sinuses. Ginger also contains vitamin B6 and potassium, key nutrients that support normal nerve and immune function. Sipped regularly during cold seasons, this warm tea may offer gentle, ongoing support for long-term respiratory comfort. Benefit number 5. May support metabolism and weight balance. Ginger and peppermint tea is often enjoyed as a light, refreshing, low-calorie beverage after daily meals. Some early studies suggest ginger may slightly boost metabolism and support healthy digestion of fats and sugars. Peppermint may also curb appetite slightly through its aroma, helping some people avoid mindless snacking. Both herbs are naturally caffeine-free and rich in antioxidants that help protect cells from everyday damage. As part of a balanced diet, this tea may offer modest, sustainable support for weight management goals. Before we move on to the next one, I want to hear from you. Are you already a fan of ginger and peppermint? Drop a comment below and let me know. Benefit number 6, supports immune health. Ginger and peppermint tea has traditionally supported the body's natural immune defenses through changing cold seasons. Ginger contains natural compounds that may help support white blood cell activity and overall healthy immune response. Peppermint may also help ease minor throat irritation and support easier, more comfortable breathing overall. Ginger also provides small amounts of vitamin C, which supports normal, healthy immune system function daily. With consistent, moderate consumption, this warming tea blend may offer gentle, long-term support for overall immune wellness. Benefit number 7, supports mental clarity and focus. Peppermint's refreshing aroma has long been traditionally associated with feelings of alertness, clarity, and inner calm. Inhaling peppermint's natural scent while sipping the tea may help improve concentration and support mental alertness daily. Ginger may also support healthy blood flow, which helps deliver more oxygen to the brain. Peppermint also contains small trace amounts of manganese, a mineral linked to normal, healthy brain function. Enjoyed regularly in moderation, this refreshing tea may offer gentle, long-term support for everyday mental clarity overall. Benefit number 8, supports heart health. Ginger has long been valued in traditional medicine for supporting healthy circulation and heart function overall. Some studies suggest ginger may help maintain healthy blood pressure levels already within a normal everyday range. Peppermint may also help relax blood vessels, supporting smoother and more efficient blood flow overall. Ginger also contains potassium and magnesium, minerals known to support normal, steady, healthy heart rhythm overall. With balanced, regular use, this herbal tea may offer gentle, long-term support for overall future cardiovascular wellness. Benefit number 9, supports skin health. Ginger and peppermint tea have both been used traditionally to support clearer, healthier-looking skin over time. Ginger's natural antioxidants may help protect skin cells from everyday damage caused by harmful environmental free radicals. Peppermint's cooling effect may also help soothe minor skin irritation and slightly reduce temporary redness. Ginger also provides small amounts of vitamin C, which supports natural collagen production in healthy skin. With consistent, moderate use, this herbal tea may offer gentle, long-term support for lasting overall skin health. Benefit number 10, supports relaxation and better sleep. Peppermint has traditionally been used in calming herbal teas meant to support gentle relaxation before bedtime. Its soothing aroma may help ease tension and support a calmer mind before sleeping each quiet night. Ginger's warming effect may also help relax tense muscles and ease minor physical discomfort overall. Peppermint also naturally contains no caffeine, making it a gentle, soothing option before winding down evenings. Sipped calmly in the evening, this tea may offer gentle, long-term support for restful, quality sleep overall. Now, I know you're probably wondering how to make ginger and peppermint tea at home. Making this tea at home is simple and only takes a few minutes. Start by boiling 2 cups of water in a small pot. Add a few thin slices of fresh ginger and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then add a handful of fresh peppermint leaves or a peppermint tea bag and let it steep for another 2 to 3 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup and, if you like, add a touch of honey or lemon for extra flavor. And that's it, a warm, soothing cup of ginger and peppermint tea ready to enjoy. Dear viewers, that's it for today's video. These are the top 10 health benefits of ginger and peppermint tea. It's incredible how these simple herbs can have such a profound impact on our well-being. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.